All right, last video, we're going to combine numbers 37 through 44. Remember on the test, there's actually going to be quite a bit of these sections where you have to just identify alternate interior, alternate exterior, all that stuff, and be able to identify angle measures. Now, the thing to keep in mind on this is that these two lines here are parallel, meaning that we got two different transversals that cut across them. However, these two lines are also parallel, meaning these two lines, the original parallels, are also transversals for the vertical parallels. Now, the thing that makes this really nice is that we've got different sets of transversals, and all the rules apply to every single one. We can go into alternate interior, alternate exterior all we want, but the basic gist of it is all the acute angles are equal and all the obtuse angles are equal to each other. So since this one is 74 degrees, that one is 74 because it is a vertical angle. Over here, this is an alternate interior, which is also congruent 74 degrees. Therefore, that one, as a vertical angle, is also 74 degrees. Over here, angle 5 is also going to be 74 because it's alternate interior to this one. Then over here, another vertical angle is 74 degrees, and so on. I can repeat the exact same pattern all the way around. Now, we just got to figure out the measure of our obtuse angles. These two make a linear pair, so if that's 74, we just subtract from 180. 180 minus 74 gives me 106 degrees. So every single obtuse angle in here is 106 degrees. Let's fill those in. And now he's got to fill them in over here on the left. Measure of angle 1 is 106 degrees. Measure of angle 2 is 74 degrees. Measure of angle 3 is 106 degrees. Measure of angle 4 is 106. 5 is 74. Measure of angle 6 is 106. Measure of angle 7 is 106. And measure of angle 8 is 74 degrees. Key thing to keep in mind whenever we have these two sets of transversals on top of each other, every acute, every obtuse are equal to each other. Makes it a lot easier to go all the way through without having to worry about all the specific rules.